I'm Dr. Desi Bartlett, and I've dedicated 30 years to helping women through life's transitions, from pregnancy to perimenopause, with strength from the inside out. As a published author and doctor of kinesiology, my mission is to educate, inspire, and empower women around the world at every stage of life. My work has been featured on the covers of top wellness publications, celebrating strength, science, and stories that unite us across generations. I've shared expert insights on nationwide TV networks, including ABC, NBC, Univision, Hallmark, and more, bringing movement, mindset, and modern wellness to millions. From in-depth podcast interviews to expert panels, I'm passionate about offering real tools for real women, rooted in science and heart. Whether I'm leading global retreats, teaching yoga, or collaborating with top wellness brands, I bring 3 decades of experience to everything that I do. I've partnered with leading wellness brands and global platforms who share my commitment to empowering women through every season of life. As a camera-ready expert in women's wellness, I would love to be part of the conversation. Let's create something meaningful together.